Element 2020 MCQ. Distance covered by a particle during one-dimensional motion varies with time according to x square is equal to at square plus 2bt plus c. If the acceleration of particle depends on x as x raised to minus n, where n is an integer, then what is the value of n? Now see here, differentiation of x square with respect to time, that is 2x dx upon dt, and right side differentiation with respect to time 2at plus 2b, differentiation of constant is 0. So x into speed v is equal to at plus b. Here 2 is common and cancel. So speed v is equal to at plus b upon x, equation 2. Now acceleration is equal to differentiation of v with respect to time. So right side it is x square x into differentiation of at plus b with respect to time, that is a, minus at plus b into differentiation of x with respect to time dx upon dt. So acceleration is equal to ax minus at plus b. Here differentiation of x with respect to time is v, and equation of v is at plus b by x. So here minus at plus b, and equation of v is here at plus b upon x divided by x square. So acceleration is equal to ax square minus at plus b whole square upon x cube. So acceleration is equal to a. Now substitute value of x square from equation 1. X square is equal to here at square plus 2bt plus c minus at plus b whole square upon x cube. So acceleration a is equal to a square t square plus 2abt plus ac minus a square t square minus 2abt minus b square upon x cube. So acceleration a is equal to, here a square t square is cancelled, 2abt is cancelled, so ac minus b square upon x cube. So a proportional to x raised to minus 3, but here it is given that a proportional to x raised to minus n. So value of n is 3 here. Thank you.